Our new topic is surface. This is something completely different from solid because surface has zero thickness and it is commonly used to model things which cannot be simply modeled using CAD. Means when there is a lot of complexity. So to have a look of just outside of any part, so we use surface. So let's go to view and turn on axis. Okay, I will make top view is active, and now I will go turn off section view. So now, and I will go to surface and I will create a basic cylinder. And if I click on isometric, now if I turn on section view, you see there is nothing. Oh sorry, it is top. I have to make front section. Yeah, you can see that there is a zero thickness, just outside portion. Okay, so simply like solid, all commands are like solids, and if I create a block, that same thing, but thickness is zero. Similarly, sphere, cone, first outer dia, inner dia, and at last torus. Yeah. And I will create one sphere. Turn on section view. You can see everything is zero thickness. So let's delete all and make top and active. Now I will create a solid. Simply I will create a cylinder. If I want to convert it into surface, then what I can do is I'll go to surfaces from solid, click this. Here we have an options, triple click to select the body and shift plus click. Okay, so I will clear them 1 2 3. Now whole body is selected, end section, and we will leave these parameters default because it will increase the complexity. Now if you can see it is created to surface, but if I will go to solid and view, and here, okay, if I delete this solid, you can see the surface is created from. Okay, now let's delete this one. Okay, from planes I will go to top view, activated top view, and now I will create a wireframe. Let's create a rectangle. Okay, now here is a command which is called patch. So patch is basically used to create the surface from an okay, so the word which is used is flat boundary. So here normally it is called page, but okay, no problem. Here you can see here we have a surface. Now another command which I want to show you, like we have covered loft in solids, so let's see how loft in surface works. So I will create an plane relative to WCS. Okay, top, how much offset we want. Let's say I want an offset of 30. Let's make it 60. Now in this area I will create a circle. The radius is 25. Done. Now I will convert this sketch to surface using flat boundary and okay, convert it to surface. Done. I will add another plane relative to top WCS, and at this plane I will keep offset 30 and I will create. Okay, now I will create a polygon here. Oh, not ellipse, I want to do why its radius is so much. Okay, 35. I'll convert it into surface and done. Now I will use 3 fillet blend. So what it will do is 3 surface blend. So it will bend 3 surfaces to create a new surface. So first, and I have to in this direction it will be bent. Secondly, I will any point and it will be on this direction, so I will F to change its direction, and third is this one. So okay, and enter. So let's see, this unusual shape is created. So if I will change its magnitude to 3, yeah, shape changes. And similarly, if it to 3, the shape completely changes. I will make it 1, 1, 1, and all the magnitudes are 1. So it is used for this purpose. So I will cancel it because now I will use trim to plane function. So I will select all 3 and end section. Now I will use plane. I have options. First is line, second is 3 auto cursor points. So let's use auto cursor points. So first point is this one, second is this one, and third is this one. So in this way a plane is created. But it is completely different. So let's make it top. Okay, not top, front. Yeah, front is right. Now I will create another plane. Okay, if I will make it to isometric, so see, this portion is trimmed. Similarly, cancel, let's back it, Control Z. Similarly, we can trim 2 surfaces. Okay, so we will not go to detail of surfaces because it is not used in the machining. So let's just I will go to wireframe and draw, and with the help of SP line I will create a something like a glass. Okay, first let's go to front plane. Yeah, now front plane is active plane. Now I will create like body like glass. Okay, done. Okay, now I will go to surface, I will go to revolve, I'll select this plane and enter, and axis of rotation. Oh sorry, I forgot to create line, wireframe. Again go to surface and revolve, so this, enter, and this. Okay, see, now body is created, hollow body inside. Okay, let's not create it, Control Z. Now if I want to create a pipe like this or something else, so we'll just go to this plane. Maybe it will be bottom. It's bottom plane, and here is the and basically I want to create something on this plane, so I will go to wireframe and circle. Want it to be perpendicular to this, so I will switch to another plane, right plane. Okay, now I will create a circle here, and I will go to surface, go to sweep, this one and this path. Okay, so now something pipe like created. Okay, and so similarly the most of the commands are same as solid, so let's not waste time in this. Delete, and we will move to a new section called mesh. So also mesh is also not as used in machining, but mesh is used in 3D printing. So the basic difference between the mesh and solid is, let me show you by creating something like this. Okay, now go to advanced, do not create, yes, but leave it default. And now if you can see, when we create a solid, here there is something straight, but mesh divides the body into small faces. It is mostly used in then the calculations, simulation analysis, because it divides area into small faces. It may be rectangle, polygons, or something like that. Okay, so here are mesh from entities. We can create mesh from the solid, and similarly these are all the commands.